In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Smartsheet as PDF. We'll walk through the process from inside Smartsheet so that by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect when downloading your sheet as a PDF file. This is especially useful if you need to share a snapshot of your work with someone who doesn't use Smartsheet, or if you want a static copy for records, reports, or printing. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and that you have the sheet you want to export already created and accessible. From your Smartsheet home or recent items, open that specific sheet. You should now be looking at your data in the main grid or whatever view you typically use. Once your sheet is open, look towards the top left area of the Smartsheet window. You'll see a menu bar with several options like File, Edit, and so on. Click on the File option to open the drop-down menu. This menu is where Smartsheet keeps actions related to the entire sheet, including saving, properties, and in our case, exporting. With the File menu open, move your mouse down the list and look for the option labeled Export. Click on Export. When you do this, Smartsheet will show you a submenu with different export formats. These may include options like Excel, CSV, and others, depending on your permissions and account type. From that list, choose Export as PDF. Go ahead and click Export as PDF. This tells Smartsheet that you want a PDF version of the current sheet. At this point, Smartsheet may open a settings window where you can adjust layout options like orientation, scaling, or which columns and rows to include, depending on your setup. Take a moment to review those options if they appear, especially if your sheet is wide or very long, so the final PDF is easy to read. When you're ready, confirm the export. Smartsheet will generate the PDF for you, and your browser will either download it automatically or prompt you to choose a location to save the file. Once the download is complete, open the PDF on your computer to quickly check that everything looks the way you expect. And that's all there is to it. Open your sheet, go to File, select Export.